Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So this is my second makeup tutorial that I'll be posting and I am so excited about it as it's one of my favourite looks. It's always my go-to look and I thought I would definitely share it with you. So it is just a really nice glam bronzy look that, like I say, I tend to go for all the time when I'm going out anywhere nice. It's just so nice and so easy, so simple, and it's so effective. So I thought I could share it with you. So if you want to see how I've achieved it, then please stay tuned.